Ever wondered what Holi truly represents beyond just the vibrant colors? Hey, did you know that Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb actually banned the public celebration of Holi in 1665? Hey friends, in this video, we uncover life-transforming lessons through some mythological stories that could really shift your perspective. Stay tuned for wisdom that's more than just festive fun. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Holi is such a lively festival of colors. It is deeply rooted in Indian mythology and really focuses on the triumph of good over evil, devotion, and welcoming the spring season. The story of Holika and Prahlad, this legend is one of the most famous tales associated with Holi. So, it's all about Hiranyakashipu, the powerful demon king, who didn't allow his people to worship any god apart from himself. Prahlad, his son, went against this order by still choosing to worship Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashipu involved his sister, Holika, who had a boon, allowing her to enter fire unharmed. However, Holika's attempt to burn Prahlad in a fire failed, as she was not alone, and the flames consumed her. Prahlad emerged safe, due to his devotion to Vishnu. This story symbolizes the victory of good over evil, and we celebrate it by burning effigies of Holika on the eve of Holi, known as Holika Dahan. The Holika Dahan ritual is all about lighting bonfires the night before Holi. It's a way to perform this event, symbolizing purification and renewal. There are quite a few valuable lessons we can take from the story that can really resonate with our lives. What happens when evil intentions are at play? Holika's story shows us that having bad intentions can really backfire on you. Her plan to hurt Prahlad ended up leading to her own collapse, showing us that negative actions tend to come back around. The story highlights how crucial it is to have belief and a positive mindset. Prahlad's strong belief in Lord Vishnu really shows how powerful faith, positive mindset, and devotion can be, especially when he's up against so many challenges and threats from his father. His story shows us that having faith and a positive mindset can really help us get through tough times and gives us the strength to tackle challenges with confidence and a sense of calm. Making your own decisions, the story highlights how crucial it is to make our own choices. Holika had a plan, and her intentions ultimately led to her downfall. This incident really shows how important it is for people to make their own choices instead of just going along with what others want them to do. The story of Lord Shiva and Kamdeva. There's this fascinating myth tied to Holi, where Lord Shiva opens his third eye and turns Kamdeva, the god of love, into ashes. Shiva was in deep meditation after goddess Sati passed away. The gods decided to bring back cosmic balance, so they called on Kamadeva, the god of love, to wake up Shiva. Kamadeva launched his love arrow towards Shiva, disrupting his meditation and simultaneously infuriating him. In a fit of rage, Shiva burnt Kamadeva to ashes with his third eye. Later on, Shiva brought Kamadeva back to life in a non-physical form after being touched by the heartfelt requests of Kamadeva's wife, Rati. This story really captures the ideas of sacrifice and renewal, which are at the heart of Holi's celebration of love and the victory of good over evil. Life lessons from the legend: managing your emotions. Lord Shiva's strong response to Kamadeva's actions, burning him with his third eye, really highlights how crucial it is to manage our anger and emotions. This incident really shows how important it is to manage our emotions when things get tough. Transformation through adversity. Kamadeva's destruction turned him into an invisible force, showing us that challenges and setbacks can lead to new ways of being or understanding. This metaphor really highlights the importance of being resilient and adaptable in life. So, here's the deal. In an act of selflessness, Kamadeva fired his love arrow towards Lord Shiva. Why? To wake him up from his meditation and help keep the world in balance. Pretty noble, right? Even though he was aware of the risks, he chose to put the greater good ahead of his safety. This situation really shows us how important it is to be selfless and brave when we're working toward something bigger than ourselves. The story highlights how love, represented by Kamadeva, plays a crucial role in keeping balance in life. Shiva started off by keeping his distance from worldly attachments, but when he finally joined with Parvati, it really highlighted how important it is to find a balance between being an ascetic and worldly responsibilities. Shiva's decision to grant Kamadeva immortality after recognizing his mistake really shows how important forgiveness is and how we can make things right when we've messed up. The tale of Lord Krishna and Radha. According to legend, young Krishna, known for his mischievous nature, was jealous of Radha's fair complexion compared to his dark skin. Feeling a bit down, Krishna went to his mother, who playfully suggested that he smear colors on Radha's face to change her complexion. So, Krishna got the cool idea and started applying colors to Radha and her friends, the gopis. That's how the fun tradition of playing with colors during Holi began. Life lessons from the legend. Let's celebrate diversity and come together as one. Krishna's fun moment of coloring Radha symbolizes the acceptance of differences and the celebration of unity. It teaches us to embrace diversity and find joy in togetherness. Krishna's playful side and his fun moments with Radha really highlight how important it is to keep joy and lightness in our relationships. Life gets a lot more enjoyable when we tackle it with a bit of humor and a playful spirit. As the colors settle, let the flames of Holi spark 3 resolutions within you. Let's get rid of those holikas inside us, like ego, grudges, and fears that hold us back from growing. Embrace the colors of life, go ahead and transform your career, fix those relationships, and go after your dreams, just like Prahlad went after the truth. Color beyond borders, let's build connections that go beyond societal divides. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Which lesson from Holi are you planning to embrace this year? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. We're all listening and feeling the color. Wishing you a joyful Holi. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video.